Hey everyone, welcome back to Scriptures with Andrew Daniels. I'm really glad you're here with us today. I've got Shade in the studio. Thanks for being here, Shade.
Thank you. You know, it's always a pleasure to be here. Thank you, Andrew.
Today, I want us to talk about the Tower of Babel. It's one of those Bible stories we think we know. But when you really slow down, it starts confronting you. The people said, let's build a tower that reaches heaven, and let's make a name for ourselves. And every time I read that, I pause. No mention of God here, no dependence, just ambition.
Yes, and that's what's interesting for you listening is this weren't lazy people. They were united, skilled, strategic, all the things we celebrate today. But their unity was built on the wrong foundation.
Wow. So true, unity without humility, right? You can be aligned, gifted, motivated, and still be heading in the wrong direction.
You're right. And pride is sneaky. It tells you are just being ambitious. But slowly the focus shifts to control, image, and recognition. Then confusion starts creeping into your relationships, your decisions, even your sense of purpose.
Wow. If you're listening right now, ask yourself this. Why am I building what I'm building? Is it about God's name or mine?
You're right, because the same effort with the wrong heart can still lead to loss.
No wonder Proverbs says, pride goes before destruction. Build, dream, grow, but do it with humility. When God leads, confusion turns into clarity.
And that's where real progress actually begins.
That's right. Thank you all for listening today on Scriptures with Andrew Daniels. We love you. We hope to see you on the next episode. God bless.